We are in LA. This is our hotel room. Sarah's right there. It's pretty nice. It's got like a TV and it's got like a microwave, mini fridge. This is the 3-star Holiday Inn Express near Sawtelle, also known as Little Osaka. This is our little view. It's not much, but it's a bright and beautiful day out in LA. We are about to get breakfast soon and then head to Universal Studios. And Sarah's gonna be vlogging. So we're trying out a new camera. Alright, we'll see you guys there.
Alright guys, we're about to head to Super Nintendo World, so we bought the power-up bands. John got Luigi and I got Princess Peach.
Hey, what's up guys?
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cool. Eddie. Follow me at Eddie Kim Kim. I'm sorry, that was really bad. But
You
I'm
want
Eddie.
his digits. Subscribe.
His phone number is 678-431.
Actually, it's 516.
Dang. Dude, it's like stimulus overload right now. Yo, it's my gaming chair right here.
I know, where that's place.
Can I buy that? Here we go. Alright, go for it. Nice. Go for it, go for it. Yeah. Woo. Harry Potter World. Let's go. Heading to restaurant for lunch. Top rated restaurant, apparently. Ooh.
Do you all attend Hogwarts together?
Yeah, we did actually. That's three.
I see, I see. Wow.
Same year.
Oh, quite remarkable. There. Thank you so much for visiting me today. Now, my assistants will take questions record. Right this way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Over there.
Oh, there's water.
It's like the river just ends up ahead. Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
It's Eddie's show right now.
I'm with my crew.
What's up?
I can't do myself.
I'm Toby.
This is Michael.
Hold on.
Snowball.
Look.
Something I never thought I'd say.
Oh. So cool. Whoa. Oh, that's hot. Oh, we're gonna get sprayed with water.
No time.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
If anyone else wants to play, best deal 6 shots, $15. I'll help you out on this.
Good win.
Wait, now I'm salty. That's why I told her first.
Oh! So close. Oh!
Good try. It bounces a lot. Dang. Good job, Toby. No. This is so cute. I want you to have it. Oh my gosh.
Alright, we just rode, what did we ride? We rode the Pets, and then Despicable Me,
Kung Fu Panda
Kung Fu
earlier.
Panda,
Now we're in line for churros.
and now we're getting a snack. What are we doing?
Studio tour. Something like that, I don't know.
We're in the movie star car because we're movie stars.
For the next 45 minutes to an hour, we're going to be enjoying an inside look at the Hollywood filmmaking process. The stage is kind of like a blank canvas for a filmmaker's imagination, and we have 36 stages in our front lot alone. In fact, every single structure you're seeing surrounding us is made of plywood and plastic. For the adaptability, we can change the way they look in a couple weeks. We have one of 4 gyrospheres from Jurassic World. Jordan Peele's film Nope. The Fry's Electronics truck. We'll talk about that one a little later. We have a military tank at the end of the row made of plywood for Transformers. It's a little easier to maneuver that on set.
Too fast.
We're looking at a real Boeing 747 airplane totally destroyed from War of the Worlds from Steven Spielberg's 2005 film.
Nice. Wow. Nice. This is the menu. Starters, the main menu. And then on the back, we got desserts, beverages, and some kids' meals. So cute.
So cute.
It's the Superstar Lemon
Oh, you gotta
Squash.
keep the bowl?
Wow.
Boba. They're just sitting there in the room like all day. They've been like.
It's very lemony.
So I think
Oh, I think this is spicy sauce.
So I just dumped it.
Yeah, but you probably want to soak this.
Thank you for this food. Thank you for our time. We love you, Lord. Nourish our bodies and keep us safe for the rest of the night. We love you and just thank you.
Take this founder flag out.
Oh, right, it's yours.
Dump the sauce. Put a little bit on it.
This is like a concert version of the Mario song.
Let's see how that is.
It smells spicy.
That smells spicy. Yeah. Dude, this is such a huge meatball. What? Is it just full meatball?
It's 1 pound.
It's one big stuffed with some meatball.
Wait, I've never seen a meatball that big.
Holy. Yeah, it's just all meat. Sugoi.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. That's all
1
meat.
pound
And then
meatball.
this Bowser right here. Evil Bowser.
Wow, that's
Oh, that is
I know.
properly fun.
The burger's like huge too. It's crazy.
Are you okay if I take this away?
Honestly, I'm gonna take a couple bites.
No.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. So I just boxed that. This is actually spicy.
You tell the
really?
toads that if they see
I only put half of it.
an even number of red.
This is the Yoshi salad.
So cute.
So the croutons are dyed.
Same as Yoshi eggs.
Yeah.
And then there's star fruit.
Star fruit.
That's crazy. That's
John
exotic.
likes star fruit.
That's cool.
How is it?
It's fruity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like the meat is like stewed for like 4 hours.
Nice, more food.
Garlic nuts and the short rib.
Yeah.
That's spicy.
It's like chili.
All right.
It's like that.
Mushroom soup. And you gotta take the bowl home after.
It's straight up. I think it's straight up chili.
All right. Tiramisu is the last thing. So cute. It's like not that sweet. It's that bar cake. It's pretty thick. Yeah, this tastes like an American cake.
Right? Yeah.
Dressed up like a Japanese cake. How'd you like it?
That's good.
Yeah? Huh? Like a Japanese themed cafe. You guys rate it?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
It exceeded my expectations.
Some felt more Americanized, but I would say overall, good quality,
Yeah.
taste, good flavors.
Yeah, pretty good.
Would recommend.